Hey everyone, welcome back to Madras Academy, your one-stop destination for smart tech projects and STEM fun. Today, we're building a smart dustbin, a hands-free trash bin that opens automatically when your hand gets close. It's a cool DIY project using Arduino Mega and an ultrasonic sensor. Let's learn automation the smart way. A smart dustbin is a touchless bin that uses sensors to detect when someone is nearby and opens the lid automatically using a servo motor. It's more hygienic and perfect for public spaces or even your room. Here's what you'll need: Arduino Mega, Ultrasonic Sensor, HCSR04, blue plastic gear servo motor, jumper wires, dustbin or box with a lid. Let's wire everything up. Connect the trig and echo pins of the ultrasonic sensor to D9 and D10 on Arduino. Connect the servo signal pin to D6. VCC and GND of both components go to 5V and GND on Arduino. Make sure your power connections are stable. We don't want glitchy movements. Let's quickly understand how the code works, step by step. Library and variables. We include the servo library and set up pins for the ultrasonic sensor, servo motor. We also define variables to store distance readings. Setup function. In setup, we start the serial monitor, attach the servo, set pin modes, and close the lid when the system starts. Then, we detach the servo to save power. Measuring distance. The measure function sends an ultrasonic pulse, listens for the echo, and calculates how far an object is. Loop function. We take 3 distance measurements, average them, and check if something is closer than 50 centimeters. If yes, we open the lid, wait 3 seconds, then close it, all using the servo. Serial output. Finally, we print the distance to the serial monitor for testing or debugging. And that's it. Just a few lines of code to make your dustbin smart and automatic. The ultrasonic sensor sends out sound waves. When they bounce back from a nearby object, Arduino calculates the distance. If it's close, the servo rotates to open the lid. Let's test it. As soon as your hand gets close, voila! The lid opens. Wait for 2 seconds. It closes automatically. Automation magic. If you like this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart tech from Madras Academy. Have any ideas or want to build this in your school? Drop a comment below. Stay smart, stay creative. See you next time.